Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make butter croissants. First, combine 500 grams of bread flour, 60 grams of sugar, 10 grams of salt, 10 grams of instant yeast, and 300 milliliters of cold milk in a large bowl. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead for about 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Cover the dough and let it proof at room temperature for 1 hour, or until it is doubled in size. Then, chill it for at least 4 hours. Next, prepare your butter block. Take 250 grams of cold, unsalted butter and shape it into a 15 by 20 centimeter rectangle, about 1 centimeter thick, between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Roll out your chilled dough into a rectangle roughly twice the size of your butter block. Place the butter block in the center of the dough, then fold the dough over to fully enclose the butter. Gently roll it out to a 20 by 60 centimeter rectangle. Then perform your first single fold. Chill for 30 minutes. Now repeat the lamination process. Roll out the dough to a 20 by 60 centimeter rectangle again, then perform a second single fold. Chill the dough for another 30 minutes. Repeat this step one more time for a total of 3 single folds. After the final chill, roll the dough into a large rectangle, about 3 millimeters thick. Trim the edges to create a clean 25 by 80 centimeter rectangle. Cut the dough into triangles, each with a base of 10 centimeters. Finally, it's time for proofing and baking. Gently stretch each triangle and roll it tightly from the base to the tip to form the classic croissant shape. Arrange the shaped croissants on a baking sheet, leaving ample space between them. Allow them to proof in a warm, humid environment for 2 to 3 hours, or until they are visibly puffy and jiggly. Brush with an egg wash, then bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.